Hello everybody, I am back again after a really long time. I'm really sorry for not posting. I was kind of really busy. So I'm back again with a quick makeup tutorial. So actually I went to Halloween's nightclub. Yeah, it's been like ages. I made this video, I think a week or two back. So I'm finally uploading it. So yeah, it's just a basic quick makeup tutorial kind of a video. Yeah, please let me know in the comments down below if you like watching these kind of videos, or give it a like. So I'm basically getting ready like how I do it in most of my videos. And if you have any doubts about any product, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll let you know. So these are the makeup products which I use on daily basis. So I guess you guys already know the names of the or brand of the products I'm using. So yeah, I'm just doing voiceover just to have a chat with you. I know it's been really long since you've heard my voice, and I really want you guys to hear my voice and just hear me talk. So yeah, I'm just actually I bought a new foundation, so I'm putting that on my face. And by the way, actually, I was like, I was in the process of like moving from one house to the other one, because the tenancy of my previous house ended. It was ended like, it's gonna end like in a couple of days. So I already moved. So yeah, that's why I was so busy with all that stuff. And also I've been shopping a lot. I know I didn't do any hauls because I go shopping every day, and then I just basically forget what I bought. So yeah, that's the thing. And I'm going to order a lot of stuff from like Shein and Temu, so you will see a really nice super hot haul in like a week or 10 days. So yeah. And I'm gonna be posting a lot of my makeup tutorials as usual. I promise you guys I'm gonna be consistent, and I might also post like fashion videos. I'm not really sure about it, but makeup definitely it's gonna be there. And yeah, so I'm just sculpting my face with products. I hope you get it. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing really well. And if there's anything you wanna let me know, just comment down below. And that's about it, you guys, for this quick makeup tutorial. Yeah, this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed. I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.